Tekway double head polishing machine. With its dual rotating heads and powerful motor, this machine is designed to deliver unparalleled performance and efficiency. Engineered with precision, this machine boasts advanced features. Ergonomic handles and intuitive controls make it easy to achieve professional results. Tekway double head polishing machine upgrades your polishing experience. Dual rotating head polisher covers larger surface area and reduces polishing time. Take control of your polishing with variable speed options. Polishing and cleaning dual function Tekway eccentric polishing machine. Tekway dual head polishing machines will take your polishing game to new heights. Tekway redefining polishing excellence.